Water. It's what makes Earth unique in the vastness of the universe. It covers most of the surface and is home to diverse life, fed by currents and cycles driven by Earth's climate. For generations, the people that lived in what is now China, Japan, and Korea have relied on the bountiful waters of the Yellow Sea to feed their civilizations, but as the planet warms, so too does the ocean, altering the range and yield of many fish populations worldwide, and with it the livelihoods of millions who depend on seafood. We note here that the seas and currents in East Asia, mainly the ones near China, Japan, and Korea, are experiencing some of the highest reductions in their maximum sustainable yield, abbreviated to MSY, which is the amount where any fish caught above will start to threaten the population. For starters, the region that is situated between China and the Korean Peninsula, called the Yellow Sea, receives water from two different currents with differing temperatures, one that carries cold waters from northern ice patches and continuous ice fields, prevalent in the winter, and another warm current that comes from the south, bringing with it the monsoon season, famously known as the Kuroshio Current. For fish to survive, they have to eat. Fish populations are generally found in areas where upwelling occurs, which is a process where water near the seafloor is brought to the surface as currents carry away water at the top of the water column. Watch it happen here.
Upwelling happens when winds drive water on the ocean's surface away, and colder waters from the ocean's deep move up to take its place. This cold water is chock full of nutrients.
Upwelling can also occur as water collides with the continental shelf. This water is rich in nutrients essential to ocean ecosystems, including dissolved oxygen and inorganic carbon, and because of this, most fish live in actively upwelling areas. One of these fish, however, has had their habitat severely affected by the warming of ocean waters, the yellow croaker. The yellow croaker is a popular fish species found in East Asian waters, particularly the Yellow Sea and the Bohai Sea. However, recent research shows that climate change has significantly impacted long-term changes in yellow croaker winter fishing grounds. Yellow croaker is a medium-sized fish, typically ranging from 30 to 40 centimeters, about this big, and weighing up to 1 kilogram. This species is fast-growing, and it's a short-lived fish that is commonly found in coastal areas, including estuaries and bays. Yellow croaker prefer water temperatures between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius. Research studies have shown that climate change is having a significant impact on the variations of yellow croaker winter fishing grounds. As a result of rising ocean temperatures, these habitats are shifting. Some studies have shown that yellow croaker populations in some areas have declined due to warmer ocean temperatures as a result of climate change. This is because yellow croaker as a species is sensitive to changes in water temperature and may not be able to survive in waters more than 25 degrees Celsius. This can make it difficult for fishermen to catch these fish, which will have significant impacts on coastal communities that depend on yellow croaker for their livelihood. These differences can also induce some processes that lead to differentiation in nutrient rate, also changing where fishing grounds will be in the area. Yellow croaker is just one example of how changing water temperatures have altered where fish live and where they can be found. Currently, the yellow croaker, a foreign species, can be found much further north from their original habitat. This moves the fish population out of populated areas, putting even more stress on an already strained seafood market, fueling disputes. For instance, a conflict is currently evolving regarding the nationality of a tiny rock called Suyana Islet that is situated between China and Japan in the Yellow Sea, where it is claimed by both countries as well as South Korea. Obtaining effective control of this islet would grant extensive fishing rights in the region. Conflicts like this occur across the globe, and as our planet warms, the question emerges of how fishing grounds like the Yellow Sea will be protected for future generations.